Every toothpaste begins with carefully selected natural and mineral ingredients.
Color looks clean and consistent.
Peppermint fields supply the cooling flavor used in modern toothpaste.
Precise irrigation helps mint plants develop strong, consistent aromatic oils. Pressure is holding at the target. Tiny leaf glands hold the concentrated oils responsible for freshness.
The aroma is strong and clean.
Plant oils can be refined into glycerin for smooth moisture control. Seed moisture is within harvest range. Corn carbohydrates provide sorbitol that keeps toothpaste soft and stable.
Record this lot for processing.
Limestone supplies calcium carbonate, a gentle polishing ingredient in toothpaste. Careful mineral testing confirms purity before calcium carbonate is processed. Quartz sources become hydrated silica for controlled cleaning and texture.
Trona minerals support sodium bicarbonate production for gentle odor control.
This sample meets our source specification.
Fresh peppermint leaves are prepared carefully before their oils are extracted.
Clean oil seeds begin the supply chain for refined toothpaste glycerin. Uniform corn kernels improve consistency and sorbitol production for toothpaste.
Keep this stream clean.
Distillation captures concentrated peppermint oil while preserving its clean aroma. Veteran harvesters cut peppermint gently to protect its valuable oil.
Each mint harvest is weighed and tagged for complete traceability. 48 pounds, record the lot. Proved limestone sources are documented before larger quantities are collected.
Bench C sample is cleared for bulk collection.
Composite sampling confirms silica quality throughout every collected mineral lot.
Blend all depths for a representative sample.
Harvested corn is protected immediately for reliable sorbitol manufacturing later. Reduce flow, the wagon is nearly full. Secured ingredient lots now begin their carefully controlled journey forward. Ventilated stacking protects delicate mint leaves during the upcoming transport journey. Keep every vent open. Breathable wrapping secures each pallet without trapping damaging heat or moisture.
The load is secure.
Marked loading patterns maintain airflow throughout the refrigerated trailer during transit.
Place the next pallet here.
Final temperature and seal checks protect ingredient integrity throughout transportation operations.
Seal number confirmed.
The sealed refrigerated load now travels toward the toothpaste ingredient facility. The ingredient shipment approaches a specialized personal care manufacturing and receiving complex. Security verifies appointments, documents, and trailer seals before facility entry.
Proceed to the scale house.
Certified weighing records the shipment quantity before unloading and inspection begin.
Hold position there.
Receiving personnel guide the refrigerated trailer safely into its assigned dock.
Straight back, nice and slow.
Inspectors confirm the seal remains intact before opening the refrigerated shipment.
Seal matches the manifest.
Receiving temperatures must remain stable to protect freshness and ingredient quality.
42.1, within specification. The first ingredient pallet enters receiving for detailed inspection and processing.
Place it in the sampling zone.
Approved peppermint enters a controlled wash before further ingredient preparation.
Lot 8 is cleared for washing.
Gentle potable water sprays remove field residue without damming aromatic leaves. Pressure is steady at specification.
Filtered air removes excess water while preserving peppermint color and aroma.
Moisture level looks correct.
Experienced inspectors remove damaged leaves and foreign material before extraction.
Good color.
Remove that stem.
Test passed, resume normal flow.
Metal detection provides another safeguard before botanical ingredients enter processing equipment. Uniform chopping exposes more leaf surface for efficient peppermint oil extraction.
Cut size remains right on target.
Clean steam releases aromatic oil from carefully prepared peppermint leaves.
Charge weight confirmed. Close the vessel.
Condensation separates concentrated peppermint oil from reusable aromatic process water. Oil clarity remains within specification.
Primary crushing reduces limestone into manageable pieces for precision mineral milling. Feed rate is stable.
Screening delivers consistent mineral size before the fine grinding stage begins.
Particle size meets the mill specification.
Precision milling creates fine calcium carbonate for controlled toothpaste polishing. Temperature and pressure remain stable.
Air classification separates polishing particles by extremely precise size ranges.
Cut point is holding correctly.
Purified water forms the clean liquid foundation of every toothpaste batch.
Conductivity remains below the required limit.
Glycerin and sorbitol maintain moisture, smoothness, and stable product texture. Both liquid ingredients are released. Vacuum transfer moves fine powders cleanly into the primary batching system. Target weight transferred successfully. Automated dosing combines purified water with moisture-retaining liquid ingredients accurately.
Liquid charge has reached target weight.
Careful binder induction builds the stable body of the toothpaste base.
Binder identity and weight are confirmed.
High shear mixing hydrates binders evenly and prevents unwanted material clumping.
Viscosity is developing smoothly.
Measured polishing powders enter under vacuum for clean, uniform dispersion. Begin the silica addition now.
Vacuum deaeration removes bubbles, producing a dense and consistently smooth base. The base is smooth and air-free.
The smooth toothpaste base transfers into a secondary formulation vessel.
Receiving tank is ready.
Slow agitation prepares the base for precisely measured active ingredients.
Recipe and batch number match.
A measured sweetener improves taste without adding fermentable sugar ingredients.
Identity and weight are correct.
Concentration is within the approved range.
A controlled fluoride premix supports reliable cavity protection in every batch.
Automated metering delivers the fluoride dose with exceptional, repeatable accuracy.
Target dose has been reached.
Specialized formulas receive additional actives for targeted sensitivity relief benefits.
Correct active for this formula.
Peppermint oil adds the familiar cooling aroma and clean flavor.
Flavor volume is exactly on target.
Low-speed surfactant addition supports cleaning action while limiting unwanted foam.
Surface remains smooth and bubble-free.
A uniform opacifier premix creates toothpaste's clean, consistent white appearance.
Dispersion is smooth and uniform.
A separate colored gel creates precise decorative stripes during tube filling.
Color is uniform across the vessel.
Inline homogenization creates an exceptionally uniform and silky toothpaste texture.
Pressure differential is exactly right.
Fine milling removes remaining texture variations before the finishing vacuum stage.
Outlet texture is consistently smooth.
Final vacuum treatment removes microscopic air for dense, stable toothpaste.
Air removal is nearly complete.
Controlled cooling stabilizes viscosity and protects the finished toothpaste structure.
Cooling rate remains on profile.
In-process pH checks confirm comfort, stability, and formula consistency accurately. Inline and bench readings agree. Viscosity testing confirms toothpaste will dispense smoothly and hold its shape.
The curve is within specification.
Final filtration removes unexpected oversized material before protected bulk storage.
Differential pressure remains normal.
Pipeline metal detection provides a final safeguard before bulk toothpaste storage.
Challenge test passed successfully.
Separate holding tanks protect toothpaste base and decorative stripe consistency. Both holding tanks are correctly assigned. Synchronized product lines stand ready for final testing and packaging.
Hold both lines for quality release.
Final recirculation equalizes temperature, texture, and ingredient distribution throughout the batch.
Readings are matched across the loop.
Tiny flavor adjustments ensure every batch delivers the intended freshness.
Adjustment amount is independently verified.
Stripe gel viscosity is matched carefully for clean decorative placement.
The stripe now holds its form.
Controlled conditioning lets texture and temperature stabilize before final quality testing. Conditioning time is complete.
Composite samples represent the entire finished batch during laboratory evaluation.
Start, middle, and end samples confirmed.
Inspectors compare color, gloss, and uniformity across representative batch samples.
All 3 samples match visually.
Extrusion testing confirms smooth dispensing and proper ribbon shape retention.
The ribbon remains stable.
Density measurements support accurate filling weights and consistent toothpaste structure.
Density is inside the approved range.
Fluoride analysis verifies every batch delivers its intended protective concentration.
The fluoride result meets specification.
Particle size analysis confirms polishing minerals remain fine, controlled, and uniform. No oversized fraction is present. Controlled abrasion testing balances effective polishing with gentle, everyday tooth care.
Surface change remains within limits.
Sterile preparation allows microbiologists to detect extremely low contamination levels accurately.
All dilutions are correctly identified.
Stability chambers reveal how toothpaste performs during extended storage conditions.
No separation or color change observed.
Record the coated sample only. Trained sensory evaluation confirms flavor strength, cooling, and aftertaste remain consistent. Quality leaders review every process record before authorizing final product release.
All manufacturing entries are complete.
Automated titration confirms chemical balance with highly repeatable laboratory precision.
Endpoint and calibration are both valid.
Ion chromatography confirms active ions and detects unexpected chemical impurities sensitively. Retention time matches the reference.
Rheology testing predicts dispensing, brushing behavior, and structure recovery accurately.
Recovery profile matches the standard.
Microbiological results confirm the finished toothpaste meets strict cleanliness requirements.
Controls passed and no growth was detected.
Chromatography verifies peppermint composition and consistent flavor quality before release. Flavor profile matches the approved standard.
Independent quality approval releases the finished toothpaste for packaging operations.
Batch 604 is officially released.
Released toothpaste transfers through dedicated sanitary lines toward packaging buffers. Both product routes are correctly aligned. Buffer tanks stabilize pressure and flow before accurate tube filling begins.
Both buffers are ready for priming.
Priming replaces rinse water and fills every nozzle with product.
All nozzles are fully primed.
Line clearance prevents component mix-ups before toothpaste packaging officially begins.
The line is cleared for production.
The synchronized packaging hall prepares to fill thousands of toothpaste tubes.
Begin the approved startup sequence.
Automated unscrambling aligns every empty tube for precise filling and sealing.
Orientation is stable across every lane.
Rotary holders position each tube accurately beneath the filling assembly. All occupied holders are seated correctly. Vision registration aligns tube artwork before product filling and final sealing.
Reference mark detected and locked. Concentric nozzles fill white paste and blue stripes simultaneously, cleanly.
Base and stripe pressures are synchronized.
Inline weighing confirms every tube contains the correct toothpaste quantity. Validation reject performed correctly.
Vision inspection protects sealing quality by detecting contamination and fill errors.
Seal area is clean and acceptable.
Controlled heat and pressure create a strong, leak-resistant tube seal.
Seal temperature and dwell are stable.
Embossed codes preserve traceability through production, distribution, and consumer use.
Batch and date characters are fully legible. Precision trimming creates a clean, uniform edge on every sealed tube.
Trim alignment remains centered. Automated cameras verify seal strength indicators and code placement continuously.
Validation defect was detected correctly.
Torque and leak testing confirms secure caps and dependable tube closures.
Both closure tests passed. Final label checks ensure tamper evidence and artwork remain correctly positioned. Strip and artwork positions are correct.
Automatic cartoning protects each tube and presents required product information clearly. Cartons are opening and sealing correctly.
Verified cartons gather into counted groups for protective shipping cases. 12 cartons ready for case loading. Protective cases receive counted cartons before sealing and warehouse preparation begins.
12 cartons loaded correctly.
Automatic sealing closes every shipping case with consistent adhesive pressure.
The top seam is straight and secure. Printed case labels connect packaged toothpaste to complete production records. Case code matches the batch record.
Robotic palletizing builds stable shipping loads with repeatable stacking patterns. Pattern 4A remains aligned. Stretch wrapping secures each pallet while preserving readable identification labels.
Tension is correct, and labels remain visible.
Released pallets enter organized warehouse lanes under controlled storage conditions.
Proceed to aisle 7, location 12. Warehouse scanning records every pallet location for immediate traceability and retrieval.
Location 712-3 is confirmed.
Careful inventory rotation ensures older approved pallets ship before newer production. Level 3 is clear. Place it slowly.
Routine warehouse inspections protect cartons from moisture, damage, and contamination.
Packaging and environmental conditions remain acceptable.
Automated inventory systems compare physical pallet counts with digital records. Physical and system quantities match exactly. Retained shipment samples preserve evidence for future quality investigations and reviews.
Retention sample is sealed and recorded.
Order picking combines matching toothpaste pallets for each customer shipment.
Correct product, correct date, correct order.
Shipping teams inspect pallets, labels, and documents before dock assignment.
All 3 pallets are approved for shipping.
Dock scheduling coordinates outbound trailers while preventing traffic conflicts safely.
Order 7821 is assigned to Dock 6.
Pallets load in planned sequence to balance weight and protect cartons.
First pallet centered and correctly positioned.
Load restraints prevent pallet movement throughout long-distance transportation and handling.
All restraints are within specification.
Final shipping verification confirms trailer seals, documents, and destination details.
Seal and destination are fully confirmed.
Distribution trucks carry finished toothpaste toward regional retail supply centers.
Finished toothpaste reaches store shelves after a carefully controlled journey.
Inventory is received and shelf ready.